College basketball season is officially back, and Cal State Bakersfield is preparing their athletes with a Hoop Fest. I'm Eric J. Docker, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter. During this event, they introduced their women's and men's basketball team to the community. They'll have a three-point competition, a dunk competition, and a scrimmage.
Students and fans piled into the Icardo Center Tuesday night for a night filled with basketball. First-year coach Arielle Weidman tells me she is beyond happy to join the Roadrunners and has high expectations for the season.
They have to have an insatiable work ethic. You have to be consistent every day, disciplined. Okay, we want to do everything with enthusiasm. If you love what you do, I don't think the vision has to necessarily pull you. You're like pushed and you're running towards it. And so I just want them to do things the right way at a high level. I have really high standards. They've abided by them so far. And so if we continue to do that, I think we'll be successful.
Members of the women's basketball team participated in a 5-on-5 scrimmage and three-point shootout, while welcoming a new member to their team in Melissa Secaroni.
I came here as a leader to lead my team to win the championship. That's our main goal as a team. I'm here to motivate my team, bring energy every day, and help everybody toward the season.
During the intermissions, CSUB had a couple of interactive games for the fans. They had a shooting competition where two players had to complete a layup, three-point shot, and free throw. Afterwards, they had a hole-in-one challenge to win a new car, courtesy of Hyundai Bakersfield. Following those games, the CSUB men's basketball team was introduced to the fans.
What are you excited for this season?
I'm excited to play. I really want to play in March. I want to take Coach Barnes to get him another ring. That's all we've been talking about since he recruited me in JUCO. So that's my main goal, to play deep in March for him.
Men and women players tell me they are ready for the season and plan to take it all the way to a championship. Both teams will have scrimmages during the month of October while getting ready for their season debuts.
If you would like to support your Roadrunners this season, the women's basketball team will have their first expedition on October 28th, and the men's basketball team will have their first game November 4th. For 23 ABC, I'm Eric J. Docker, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter.